Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Block.one detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for Block.one, start by visiting the official Block.one website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. You will see a form requesting your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and find the confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the Block.one website. Log into your account using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard to access your account features. If necessary, complete any additional profile information requested. Explore the resources available to help you get started with Block.one. You are now registered and ready to engage with the Block.one platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.